Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Algorand. We're having a relief rally in the altcoin market. Altcoins have been pumping in 2023, which is a huge contrast to the dump we had in Gambling Town in 2022. In 2022, we saw altcoins dumping from their all-time highs they set in 2021. Right now in 2023, we are seeing them pumping to the upside. Algorand has gone up 54.7% in the last 1 month. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Algorand US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. Have we started a new bull run, or is this just a huge bull trap deceiving us for one final dump to the downside? We're also going to be looking at Algorand's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll finally take a look at Algorand's market cap, which currently sits around $1.8 billion. We've seen Algorand's market cap drop to as low as $1.1 billion in this bear market. Is that the bottom for Algorand in this bear market, or do we have further downsides to go? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Algorand is still down 72.2% on a yearly time frame, so let's not get carried away by the rallies we're seeing on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, and also on a monthly time frame. But is this just a huge bull trap deceiving us to buy Algorand at higher prices before continue dumping to Gambling Town, or has Algorand started a new bull run? The lowest we've seen Algorand get to in this bear market is around the $0.16 region. The all-time low for Algorand just sits a little below that level at the $0.11 region. There's a possibility that Algorand might come to touch that all-time low, but right now we're having bounce off the $0.16 region. Algorand has rallied up around 57% since the turn of the year. All coins are very, very volatile, both to the upside and to the downside. In the previous bull market, we saw Algorand pumping by more than 2,100%. But before that pump came through, we had already seen Algorand dump to Gambling Town, losing 96% of its value. All coins can move swiftly in both directions. They can easily pump to the upside and they can easily dump to Gambling Town. And right now, Algorand is going to its first full crypto bear market. We saw it dump to Gambling Town. In 473 days, Algorand has lost more than 93.56% of its value. Now, this pump we're having to the upside might be the start of a new bull run. At the same time, it might just be a huge bull trap deceiving us. We think the Algorand is pumping to higher prices, and then we might just get rejected at the $0.28 region and finally come to set a new all-time low. If Algorand can blast above the $0.28 region, guys, we might see Algorand facing some resistance when we get to the $0.44 region. Algorand was trading around that level on the 3rd of November 2022. This was before FTX collapsed. We have seen Bitcoin rally above that price. We have seen Ethereum get stuck at that price, but trying to work its way above that price. A lot of altcoins have blasted above their November 2022 price region, but Algorand is still lagging. So how long will it take Algorand to get there? From where we're currently trading right now, Algorand will need to rally up another 75% for us to get there. And there's always that possibility that we'll see Algorand continue pumping to higher prices, but we'll still have some major resistance along the way. Some resistance might come in around the $0.56 region. Guys, if we see Algorand getting to that level, we need to start paying real attention to the price of Algorand. If we get to the $0.57 region, that might be the end of the rally, and Algorand will need to go up around 127% for us to even get there. But best case scenario for Algorand in this relief rally, what I think is going to happen for Algorand next, if we see Bitcoin pumping towards $28,000, if we see the altcoin market rallying up to higher prices, we might see Algorand attempt to go to the $0.67 region for the first time since May 2022. We saw Algorand get rejected at that region in August 2020. We saw Algorand have some difficulty around that region in August 2019. And guess what, guys? By 2022, we already saw Algorand having its last taste of the $0.67 region. Since then, we have been down in Gambling Town, getting to as low as the $0.16 region. From where we're currently trading right now, if Algorand has to pump to the $0.67 region, Algorand would have rallied up more than 310% in this relief rally. So be careful out there, guys. Don't expect us to pump straight to new all-time highs. We're still going to have some dumps along the way. Even when Algorand was pumping in the previous bull run, we still had some huge dumps. We still had a 70% dump for Algorand that came in 81 days. We had another dump that went down 62%, and that happened over the course of 156 days. So be careful, guys. Don't get carried away by the green candles we're having on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, and also on a monthly time frame. Don't forget, we're still deep in the bear market. But in the bear market is where you get your next 10x, 20x, even your next 100x coins. In the bear market is where millionaires that will be minted by the end of the next bull run are quietly accumulating. So will you join those smart investors quietly accumulating deep in the bear market when every altcoin out there is down more than 90% from their all-time high? Do you think we're going to see Algorand set new all-time highs in the future, maybe blasting above the $2.5 region and even getting to as high as $10 before the end of the next bull run? Are you going to be having some Algorand in? If the answer is yes, you want to be accumulating right now deep in the bear market, you want to dollar cost average through the process. You don't want to go all in, guys, when you're buying altcoins. You don't want to think the bottom is definitely in. There's always a possibility that we might see one final dump to Goblin Town. If you take a look at some details about Algorand in the last 1 year, we have seen Algorand going from as high as $1.10 to as low as $0.16. With a market cap of $1.8 billion, Algorand has a fully diluted market cap of $2.5 billion. A maximum supply of 10 billion coins, over 7.1 billion of those coins are in circulation. Algorand is ranked 35 on CoinMarketCap with over 625,000 people having Algorand on their watch list. Algorand is a self-sustaining decentralized blockchain-based network that supports a wide range of applications. These systems are secure, scalable, and efficient, all critical properties for effective application in the real world. Algorand will support computation that requires reliable performances guaranteed to create a new form of trust. If you want to get some Algorand for yourself in the bear market, as we're getting ready for the next bull run, you can get some Algorand on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Qcoin, on Kraken, on Bitstamp, on Bitfinex, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. If you take a look at Algorand's performance against Bitcoin, we're deep in the bear market, and Algorand is currently attempting to set new all-time lows against Bitcoin. This is the lowest we've seen Algorand trade against Bitcoin since January 2021. But guys, we might just see Algorand having a little rally against Bitcoin, nothing crazy. We might just see a 100% pump come for Algorand to the upside, but that will only happen if we see the rest of the altcoin market outperforming Bitcoin. Algorand having a 100% pump will carry us straight into resistance, or might get rejected at that level. If you take a look at Algorand's performance against Ethereum, also we're setting new all-time lows in this bear market. I might just see a little relief for Algorand, maybe having a 100% pump against Ethereum also in this bear market. If you take a look at Algorand's market cap, guys, we've seen the market cap drop to as low as the $1.1 billion region. For Algorand to go below $1 billion, we still have to set new lows in this bear market. And guys, if this is just a huge bull trap and we get rejected at the $1.8 billion region, we might see Algorand coming back to set a new low in this bear market, maybe even dropping to as low as the $546 million region. From where Algorand is currently trading right now, Algorand will drop another additional 70% for us to get there. And from the all-time high Algorand's market cap got to in November 2021, around the $14 billion region, Algorand's market cap will be down 96% if we see it get down back to $500 million. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see Algorand heading next in this relief rally? Do you think the rally is over for Algorand? Is it just a huge bull trap to the upside, or have we started a new bull run for Algorand? Are you buying more right now deep in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. See you guys in my next video. Bye.